from the jump. I was take me back to the summer breeze. We were shout out guys, another tutorial, another song. So dalawa sila, no, James Arthur and Kelly Clarkson. Ang title from the jump. So madali ito i-play guys. Madali lang itong sundan. Halos pare-pareho mga chords na ginamit sa verse. Sa second verse lang ay sa first verse pala ay may add lang tayo na third line. Panoorin niyo lang ng buo, no? Madali lang kasi i-play ito. Start tayo kagad. So strum pattern muna ito. Down, down, down. Okay? Strum pattern. Down, down, down. Okay? So timing natin, mamaya timing. At mga chords intro. 4 chords, first 4 chords intro. Down, down, down. So A, and then F sharp minor, second fret, and then third chord is D, and then the fourth chord is simple E. Okay, and for the first verse, ito A pa rin. Then F sharp minor. So first verse, meron tayong third line. We have 3 lines sa first verse. Ang first 2 lines ay ito nga, A, F sharp minor at D at E, and then ang third line ay ito, bagong chorus, first verse to, third line, how sorry baka mali ang lyrics ko, pero eto mga chords. So forma muna natin ng A. So bar natin itong tatlo, A yan siya. Then second chord ay bass, pindutin lang to, 4th fret, A over G sharp. So 4th fret yan, 4th fret. So silent ito, muted, ito dalawa muted. At itong tatlo lang A, itong tatlo lang. And then ito, okay. So play natin ulit. Okay. Okay, A over G sharp, and then F sharp minor, then D E, then D. Hold ang D. Okay. So play natin ulit. Third line. Okay, so yan ang third line. Repeat nyo lang, no, ang first 2 lines ay A, F sharp minor, D at E. And then third line, and then second chorus ay repeat lang chords and verses, no, second chorus part. Sa chorus part, repeat lang chords and verses. Down, 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 down. So repeat lang. A. So yan ang chords ng chorus. Verses, i-repeat lang yung chords ng verses na sa chorus. At sa second verse pala guys ay wala na yung part na. Sa second verse kay Ma'am Kelly Clarkson wala na yung part na. So ang second verse ay diretso na ng yung A, F sharp minor, D at E. Repeat na lang twice, and then wala lang third line, diretso ng chorus. Okay? Pakinggan nyo na lang ang audio, no? Lagay ko na lang link sa baba. Wala na kasing third line sa second verse. Itong first verse lang kasi yan eh. Second verse ay wala na, puro na F, A, F sharp. So doon tayo sa part na bridge part. Pagkatapos ng second chorus, bridge part, pakita ko mga chords. Ito mga chords, ha. So F sharp minor, D, A at E. So play natin after ng second chorus, bridge part, after ng second chorus. Down, down, up, D, down, 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 up, down. Then A. yan ang lahat ng bridge part. Repeat lang. Timber summer rain. So, yan na, repeat lang yan guys. Repeat ang chords lang yan. At tandaan nyo rin yung sinabi ko sa second verse ay wala na to yung part na third line. Kundi A, F sharp minor, D yan. E na lang para second verse. First verse lang kasi yung may third line eh. Yan na lahat no. Replay nyo na lang at sabayan nyo ang MP3 audio file. Lagay ko na lang link sa baba. Dito mga tutorial. Repeat nyo lang no. Kung meron yung na-miss na part, kompleto na yan. Intro hanggang last chorus. Dito mga tutorial, yan na lahat ng mga chords. Share sa inyo lahat at pa-share lang ng video no. Hanggang dito mga guys, bye bye.